Got a broke handle. Oh yeah, belt's broke. Handles on these things suck. They're always broke. Oh yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Leave me a comment if you've ever worked on one. Off the top. 5/16. Break the dosage. Bad bell. It's a 341, 241. They've been using the same one for years. If it's got the filter in the top, that's the one I use. The new number, there was one that was almost $50. It's just a 92 inch, I think it's about 92 inch, 341, 241. So that's what it's getting. And possibly a new handle. Hey, we got a tip. That roller still. That one spins good. Yeah. Lots. Pulley goes right there. Let's go get one. Woo! Like $2. And a Chuck E. Cheese coin. Where a kid can be a kid. 2001. That's a relic. Almost dropped it. Let's see where this one used to ride. Put a little oil on that. Right there. That's a little better. I like to turn it all the way around to make sure that this lip of the back seal doesn't get rolled under, because that'll ruin it. Just roll it around to make sure it's sitting good. Boom! And that's how she's supposed to go. Right through the middle. Like I lost one of my little clippies. Back to the 5/16. that's it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.